Jobs lure professionals to Australia or the US. Plus, illegal immigration, like 30,000 small boat arrivals in 2024, strains housing and services, pushing some out. High taxes and rising crime seal the deal. From Dubai to Dublin, Brits are seeking better vibes.
I've often said that living in Spain in comparison to living in the UK is a dream. Many a time I wake up and I think to myself, I can't believe I did 33 years back in the UK. But now that I'm here, I offer assistance and help relocating Brits from the UK to Spain.